Welcome guys, today we are going to be looking on how we can hatch our elevation, our front elevation here. If you are interested in how we made these elevations, you can check out my videos as I already did all these elevations. So today we are going to be looking at the hatching command today on how we can hatch this front elevation over here. So let's get started. So go here and select hatch. Then you can go here. There are some types of hatching which you can choose from. So we'll go with the brick for today. Here, go click on brick like that. Then you can hatch here, here, here. We are going to make bricks over here and here like that. Then type on enter. So once you have done this, click here, then right click, then go where it says hatch edit. Here we are going to change our color. Here it's where we change our color from. We can make our scale here as well. So we are going to go here. We are going to go on red for brick. Red is a better color. Then for bilayer, I'll go with block like that. This is better. Then once you have done this, here you can change your scale. Here I'll change my scale to, let's say, 15, and I'll go on okay like that. So this is how you make your brick. So you can adjust your bricks if you want them bigger. So you can just select here, then you can just select this, then go on hatch edit again. Here my scale, maybe I'll just put it on 25 and I'll go on enter like that. If you want them bigger, I think this is much better. I'll go with 25. Then here on my foundation here down my DPC, I think I'll change and I'll put I'll try to hatch here down. So let's go on hatch, hatch again like that. Then we are going to hatch here, here, here. Let's hatch down here like that. Then I'll press on enter. Then I'll select this down here, the thing that I hatched. Then go on hatch edit like that. Then here I'll change the color, block like that. Here I'm not going to choose the block, so I'll go here, I'll change this, then go on other predefined here. Then I'll go down, I'll try to choose something that like the gravel down. Yeah, so down there I'll go with the gravel and I'll go on okay. Then here I can change my scale to say 15 and I'll go on okay like that. Is so this is how you can make your gravel down when hatching. Here I'm satisfied with this. So there's also the door. I'll look at the door and the windows. So you can hatch here. So go on hatch again here like that. Then you can hatch this. I'll hatch here and I'll hatch here, and I'll hatch here. I'll also hatch here. Then I'll press on enter. Then I'll select this and I'll go on hatch edit. Here we can change the color. I'll go with this one. Then here we can change this where it says brick. We can just keep on going down like that. There's gravel. Okay. Then here we can choose is what to go star. Can go with that. Yeah, I'll go with steel. So I'll select steel here and I'll go on okay. Here I'll change the scale maybe to 25 and I'll go on okay like that. So here we have done our hatch here. So and once I've done this, we can go on break. So type the command BR break up or explode. Then just go here where it says break up or explode like that. Here what we are going to be doing is we're going to be removing this. Here I did not want to hatch here, so I'll just type CR and I'll press on enter like that, and I'll trim these. I'll trim all these like that. Again I'll trim from here to there like that. Again here I'll trim these. Here I'll trim from here to there like that. I'll go on escape. Here I'm remaining with this, so I'll just type CR again, CR, press on enter, then I'll trim that. Then I'll type TR. Oh, yeah, already done. Then I'll trim this as well here like that, and you are done. So this is how you can hatch your house. This is how you can hatch, how you can use the hatch command. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.